Welcome. If you're tired of seeing that little red unread message badge on your Discord app icon every time you open your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to hide the unread message badge on Discord, even after the latest update. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings we need. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, username, and a small gear icon right next to them. Click on that gear icon to open up your user settings. Now from the menu on the left side, find and click on the section labeled Notifications. This is where you'll find all the options related to how Discord alerts you about new messages, mentions, and more. Scroll down until you see the option called Enable Unread Message Badge. By default, this setting is usually turned on. That's what causes the red badge to pop up on your Discord app icon whenever you have unread messages. To hide the unread message badge, simply click the toggle next to Enable Unread Message Badge to turn it off. Once you do this, Discord will stop showing that red notification dot on your app icon, even if you have unread messages waiting for you. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the unread message badge on your Discord app icon. No more distractions or pressure to check every message the moment it arrives. You can always turn this feature back on if you change your mind later. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, less cluttered desktop.